Which digital laser tape measure is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Rockseed 50M Laser Measure. The Rockseed Laser Measure, priced at just $23.99. What caught my attention was its dual bubble levels, which honestly makes measuring feel more accurate right from the start. If you want a reliable and portable laser measure, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This device measures up to 165 feet with a plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy, perfect for those DIY home projects or even professional jobs. The switching between meters, inches, and feet is super helpful, especially if you're used to different measuring systems. Plus, with over 6,000 sold in the past month, it seems like many people are finding it useful. Now, some people complained about the backlit LCD being a bit dim in bright sunlight. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using this indoors or in shaded areas, it shouldn't be a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who frequently needs to measure spaces. Skip this one if you're looking for something with advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if the Rockseed's brightness issue bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Hoto Pocket Laser Measure. We have the Hoto Laser Measuring Tool at $29.99. It's incredibly compact, weighing just 0.09 pounds. If you want something that fits right in your pocket, this is definitely worth considering. This tool measures up to 98 feet with a plus or minus 2 millimeters accuracy, and its one-button operation makes it super user-friendly. You can measure quickly without fumbling through complicated settings, which is a huge plus when you're trying to get dimensions on the fly. Plus, the USB-C rechargeable feature means you won't constantly be replacing batteries, making it a great eco-friendly choice. However, some users noted that the OLED display can be hard to read in direct sunlight, but honestly, if you're mostly indoors or have it shaded, that shouldn't be a major concern. This is perfect for you if you need a practical, everyday measuring tool that's convenient for quick checks. Skip this one if you need something for extensive outdoor use. Overall, it's a solid option for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for accuracy and versatility.
Product number 3, Bosch GLM 123 Laser Measure. Let's talk about the Bosch GLM 123 Laser Distance Measure. It's priced at an affordable level, making it a great choice for anyone looking for reliable accuracy without breaking the bank. What stands out with this one is the ability to measure distances up to 100 feet with a precision of 1/16 inch. That means whether you're measuring for a new piece of furniture or planning a renovation, you can trust the results. The user-friendly 2-button operation simplifies your measuring tasks, and the backlit display ensures you can read results easily, even in dim conditions. Now, some users have pointed out that it doesn't come with batteries included, which is a little inconvenient. But honestly, if you're someone who uses laser measures often, having spare batteries at home is pretty standard, so it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent DIYer or a professional who needs a straightforward and accurate measuring tool. Skip this if you want something with advanced features like Bluetooth. For what you pay, it's a dependable choice. Next up, if you're looking for something that combines traditional measuring with modern tech, you'll want to hear about the next product.
Product number 4, Rockseed Digital Laser Meter. Another Rockseed model, the Digital Laser Distance Meter, retailing at $29.99. This one caught my eye for its ability to measure not just distance, but also area and volume, which can really help in various scenarios. This tool gives you measurements in meters, inches, or feet, and it's designed for simple use with its backlit LCD. The fact that it also includes 2 bubble levels is great for ensuring accuracy, which is something you want when measuring spaces for home projects. With over 3,000 sold last month, it's clearly a popular choice among consumers. However, some users mentioned it can feel a bit bulky compared to other models. Here's the thing though, the extra features it offers might make that extra size worth it, especially if you need more than just basic measurements. This is perfect for you if you need a multifunctional tool for both home improvement and professional projects. Skip this one if you prefer something more pocket-sized. It offers decent value for the features included. Now, if you're interested in cutting-edge technology, the next product is going to impress you.
Product number 5, Fantic A10 Pro Laser Measure. We have the Fantic A10 Pro 2-in-1 Digital Laser Tape Measure, priced at $89.99. This is where things get exciting with its combination of a 165-foot laser distance meter and a 9.8-foot digital tape measure. The HD IPS color display is a game changer, showing both measurements clearly, whether you're indoors or outdoors. It also supports 6 different units and gives you angle measurements, which is incredibly handy for precise layout tasks. Plus, its USB-C charging is a thoughtful touch, allowing for more than 5,000 measurements per charge. However, the price point might be a bit steep for casual users, but honestly, if you frequently work on home renovations or professional projects, the investment could really pay off in terms of accuracy and versatility. This is perfect for you if you want cutting-edge technology that can handle both large and small measuring tasks with ease. Skip this if you're a casual user who only needs basic measurements. For the features it offers, it's a worthwhile investment.
We have the Rockseed 50M for basic needs, the compact HO for portability, the reliable Bosch GLM 100-23 for accuracy, Rockseed's versatile digital meter for audit functionality, and the Fantic A10 Pro for the tech-savvy buyer. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what fits your specific needs best.